So Heinz hamburger, go pickle chips. Heinz hamburger, go pickle chips jar, 16 fluid ounces. Yeah. Pickle chips. Looks like the same product. 16 fluid ounces. Yeah, same product.
Correct.
UPC is the same too. So yeah. Yeah, same product. Cost is $2, right? So $2.49. Okay. Oh, 12 pack. Okay. Makes sense. So this one is a 12 pack, right? So $2.49 times 12 is 29.88. So you plug it here. And the selling price is about $58. So negative, well.
But yeah.
So negative ROI, but I would look at the other sellers. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, this one is very interesting. So 130 sales a month. There's not a lot of sellers right here. So in this case, we usually look at Keepa. And we're gonna see like where it's really priced or where it's selling consistently. So this one is selling at, I want to say about $52, between $47 and $52. You guys see it? Pink line.
Yeah, I
Yep.
see it.
So about $50, $54. Yeah. Kind of dropped here.
So now,
Yeah, so 53. So it's 53, you're gonna be negative, right?
Yeah.
So this one's a negative ROI product, unless you really want to be risky like this guy, you know? This one is pricing it at like $72. So yeah, this one is not the best product.
So hey, Liz, are they banking on those people selling out and then having to pay that 70 some odd bucks or whatever? Is that what the guy's banking on?
Yeah, because if you count the other seller's inventory, so 79 plus 2, 81 plus 4, 85.
Uh-huh.
So these three people should be sold out within like 3 weeks. And from here, this guy's banking that all the sales are going to go to him.
Got it. That's right.
Assuming that these people don't replenish.
Mm-hmm.
So, and that's why this one's risky, right?
Yeah.
Because you don't want to start your pricing at like negative ROI.
I agree.
So, yeah, this one is way too risky. So, but it's making sense, right, guys? The numbers. Yeah.
It does.
Okay. Next. So 4-pack, okay. Cafe Bustelo ground coffee. Cafe Bustelo decaf. Which one's decaf? This is not decaf, isn't it?
Let me look really quick. Hold on. No, I don't think so. No, it doesn't look. I was trying to look at the other one right there.
Yeah, no, this one is a dark roast.
Yep, no decaf.
So pack of 4. Yeah, this one is different for sure. But let's run the numbers again. So 13.58, right? Right here. Selling price is 33. 146 sales a month. Oh,
That's a
wow.
lot of people, man.
Yeah, this one is a lot of people here.
But it's a pack of 4, right? So do you have to do something with that pack of 4 again?
No, because this one is already like a pack of 4 right here.
Oh, there it is. I didn't see it. Okay, cool.
Yeah. But if it's a single, then yes.
Okay, got it. That's a
So I
lot of
wanted to
people.
know, right, guys? Agree? You guys agree?
Yeah,
146 sales a month with all these people? Nah.
So when is it considered good?
When?
Yes.
Well, when there's less people in this listing. When there's less people on it. So you're gonna have to just make a decision based on supply and demand, right? So 146 sales a month. And then you're gonna be sharing sales with I mean technically people that are priced fairly. So I want to say this for 6 people right here. Oh, right there. You guys see it? But even then, right?
Yeah.
There's so many people in this listing. Unless you want to wait. But in this group, I think we all agree that, you know, we
No.
yeah, that we don't want to wait. So yeah. So yeah, just find a product that has a good sales per month, but low competition. Make sense?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, and these are just extra leads too that I get. So these are not the best leads. I'm just getting it for example purposes. So
No, this is good.
yeah, grabber, buddy. So 60-inch. It's the same, I think. So 60-inch, okay. Grabber, buddy, reacher, pickup tool. Pickup tool with rubber tips. Looks the same, right?
Looks like it to me.
Yeah, I think it's the same product. Yeah, same product. Do you guys agree?
yes,
Same product. So now we plug in the numbers. So $39.99 is a cost. And the sale price is 63 or 69 over here. So I would look at the other sellers and see their pricing. Oh wow, this one is at 76. So it's $76.
but it looks like there's variations.
Yeah, there's variations here. So
Mhm.
as far as the ROI, it's a good product as far as the ROI. But
I
this one
jump
has a
on.
variation. So we would look for the exact sales of this variation. So this one is a wood magnet, 60-inch pack of one, right? Right here. So from here we go to, oh, there's no variation here. Why? That's weird.
So now what?
Yeah, yeah, there's no variation on Keepa. It's weird.
So that'd be an automatic no then?
So for this one, I mean the numbers are good, so
Right.
I
No,
would
no, the
do
numbers
that.
are, but how do you,
Uh-huh.
no, I said the numbers are great. The RI is awesome, but I mean, if the sales, it's 301, but if that drops to like 5 sales a month, you know what I mean? Who knows?
Right. So like what we do, unless you want to be like conservative, I would do like a test buy. Just because I think this one is worth the risk.
Is the ROI?
Great, maybe like buy like 5 pieces or less. Just like send it over and just test it. Yeah.
And what you price it just a hair lower, or do you keep it the same price?
Same price.
Okay.
Yeah. But what'd you guys do?
I would do a test buy.
Right? How about the other ones in
So
the group? What would you guys do? Is it a skip? Is it a test buy? Is it a no?
Test buy, I guess.
Test buy.
So stupid question, man. Why wouldn't you drop the price just a hair on that on our end?
Oh, you can. Yeah, you can. You can start with this number just because it's a
I mean,
number.
32 is huge. That ROI is pretty big.
Yeah, I mean, you can lower it though if you want. I mean, it could be
I
like
mean, not huge. So, yeah, like 70. Yeah, exactly. I was going to like
72
$72 or
or
whatever. I
67.
mean,
Yeah,
you're still at 67. You're still at 13 is a pretty good ROI, but yeah, no, 30 some odd 32 is pretty big. Okay, that makes sense.
yeah.
Cool.
So we usually start off higher, and that's where the repricer comes into play. So we usually start at like a higher ROI, and then we kind of lower as we go. So
Gotcha.
yeah. And then as far as keep I mean, keep us all over the place honestly for this one. But here though, here's proof. So right here it sold at like 80 bucks almost. So 76, 76, 74, then kind of drop. Yeah, so this one is selling at about like 7, 8 bucks at some point. So yeah, so I mean, you start higher and then just lower your ROI as you go.
Okay.
Yeah, so this one is
That's a yes.
so risky. So do a test buy, right? Boom. Next product. So Black and Decker 20-volt max cordless lithium pivot. So BDH. Yeah, BDH 2000 PL. Okay, yeah, so same products. Agree?
Agreed.
Yeah, same products. So 43.99 is it price? 43.99. This one could be a good one. So it's saying $96 is the sale price. So I
Mhm.
would check oh okay, it's Amazon. So it's selling from about 80 bucks all the way to like 120. So we'll just put 80 bucks because our selling price was just here. Okay, 80 bucks.
Mhm.
So ROI 20%, sales per month is 6,500. There's a variation. So where is the variation? Right there. So style is pivot, handheld vacuum right here. So from here we go to Keepa. There's no variation here.
Not there again either.
So this one could be risky because Amazon is on the listing. So when Amazon is on the listing, I usually go to data and then buy box statistics. And then I just see if Amazon is taking all the sales or not. So for this one, and not really. I mean, it's taking half. You guys see it?
Yep.
Amazon is a seller. Amazon is taking about 59% of the sales. But then this other seller is getting 41% of the sales. So there's gonna be a risk to this because Amazon is on the listing, but it seems like they're sharing the sales with other sellers. Am I making sense? So this is gonna be a personal choice. Yeah, Amazon has been on the listing for a while. So some sellers they just don't like to compete with Amazon, and some people do, depending on the data. So yeah, Elaine said I would not. Yes, I agree because there's no reason to really risk, right? It's kind of very tempting though.
I don't
But
know. I think I do a test run with maybe like 5.
yeah, if you want to, you can.
I think
Yeah, just
I
because of the
probably would.
sales per month, you know?
Correct.
And
And
if
you
you
can
see
even
it says
drop that
eligible,
price down too.
yeah, just to add on to, and it's kind of advanced, but so if it says eligible no, I would go here on eligibility, manual and gate, and then request approval, and just see if you can sell this brand or not. So for this one, you can't because it's asking you for an invoice. So
Ah, there you
yeah,
go. There's
yeah,
the catch.
yeah. I'm adding like extra steps on this one. And this one also is an oversized mall, which means we're gonna be paying more for shipping. So instead of $1, it's usually gonna be like $5-10. Make sense? So some
I
sellers
know.
tend to stay away from oversized products.
I agree. I agree.
But some people like oversized products also because there's less competition. Because less people are willing to like take a risk on their product. Make sense?
Yep.
Yeah, and that's why this
I'd
one
still
has,
skip though. No, from what you just showed me, that made sense to kind of bounce out a little bit.
yeah. So one said skip, Lean said skip. I agree. Too risky, right?
Yep.
You know, you don't want to be like risking too much and losing capital. So